Yo, what's going on, guys? This is more going to be a speed build. Today we're just going to be building the second part of this house. I will say, if I go down to, so what I'm saying right here is, there's going to be 5 lives. 2 lives can be lost by non-canon events, because this will be role playing after enough people join. And so far I haven't died, so I have all of my canon lives. As soon as I go down to 3 canon lives, I'm most likely going to, if there's already the first city, then I'm most likely going to leave, which I already know the name of the city. I'm not going to tell you. Anyways, I'm just quickly making my place. We need 4 on each one, and I start making the top part. We need this top part for the roof. Go ahead, do this. I miscalculated by a lot of how much how much wood I'm supposed to need, so I have to go back and stop mining in this video. Please ignore anything of spawn, and as I did with spawn tour video, I'm going to do a full video touring my house after I'm done with the final floor, which is the next one I'm going to do. I might do it off camera or might do it on camera, who knows. The first part and the basement I both did off camera, and the second part I do on camera. And the first floor and the bottom and the basement I did off camera. I'm going to start talking so you can listen to, see what I'm doing, yeah. That's it for today's episode. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!